What's up, guys? Ian with Pro Cycle Repair, here to show you guys a 2014 Honda 230L dual sport. The problem, customer complaint, was that the bike backfired and then all of a sudden it just shut off. I checked for spark, so we all know how to do that. Pull that yellow plug out, put a new spark plug, touch it against the cylinder, turn it over, check for spark. Has perfect spark. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off our carburetor. This is one of the newer kinds with like the DQ smog crap on it. It's got a bunch of hoses on it. So I'm gonna start by taking off the air boot, all these hoses, take out the cables for the throttle, and yeah, I'll show you when I get it out. All right, so next step, once we have the carb off, we're gonna take our float bowl out and we'll clean inside there, we'll clean the drain valve. Next, we're gonna take off our floats. So push that pin through, pull the pin out, lift the floats and the needle out. So our next step is we're gonna wanna spray cleaner in all this, take our jets out, our idler screw jet, our main jet. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray in all these holes with air, clean this out with air. Spray that breather, spray these, spray all this, spray all, gently go through all the portholes and clean it with air and some carb cleaner. All right, I just wanna show you exactly what I'm really doing with the carb. So like I said, the first thing you do is take the floats off, take the needle out, take the main jet, take the idler jet out, unscrew those. Then what I'll do with everything out, I'll spray all inside here. Spray all these ports, spray where the needle is, spray there, spray all inside there, air it all out. Make sure to, give it a good amount of air, but don't go too crazy. Don't go anything past like 60 PSI. Then we're gonna turn to this side. We have breather, the gas inlet, probably another breather. This is the choke, where the choke line goes. Breather, spray all those. Just put the air nozzle against it, spray all those. Come to butterfly valve, clean inside there. Then if you can see real faintly, there's some holes. There's 3 holes right where the butterfly valve goes. There's 1 hole right there, and then that big one. Spray all those, spray air inside those, and the brake clean, carburetor clean, whatever you got. Then come to this side, spray this one a little bit in there, then another breather. Come to this side, spray that hole, spray inside there. Try to do it all. Then what I do is I take my jets out, clean inside those, spray, put the air nozzle to it. Then I take a Q-tip, and this is if you notice your gas is leaking from the carburetor. It's probably because you left the petcock on, but also the needle has some dirt in it. So what I do is I spray some brake clean on that, or carburetor clean, and put a Q-tip down where the seat is for the needle. Make sure you get that all clean. Make sure you clean the needle really well. Then we'll put it all back together. All right, you guys. So it looked like the idle jet was pretty clogged, and maybe there was something stuck on the needle, or one of the breathers, but we got everything blown out, everything put back together. Make sure to put all your evap and DEQ stuff plugged back in so it'll run right. Got the tank back on, got the seat back on, and here's the moment of truth. Let's see if it'll start up. Turn our gas on. Turn a little bit of choke on, maybe. Perfect. It's running great. Well, that's another episode of Pro Cycle Repair. I'm glad you guys could watch. Again, it was wrong. It's a 2008 Honda 230L. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later.